Hey all, Dr. Paul Borosky here, and for this video what I'd like to do is talk about my organize, plan, and grow system for a small business. And this system I've developed over the last 13 years as a business consultant, as a business plan writer, working with hundreds of small businesses. And from my experiences with them, I've been able to develop this system, which is organize, plan, and grow. So let's go ahead and take a look at the 4 simple steps to organize, planning, and grow in your business. And before we get into the organize, plan, grow system, let's go ahead and take a look at 5 characteristics of what chaos looks like. Characteristic number 1 is going to be that you are working in your business continuously and you have no time to work on your business. You have no time to plan for future growth or to plan for expansion. Also, second, you're spending all day, every day putting out fires. Your employees are continuously coming to you to solve their issues. Third, feeling out of control. If your business is controlling you rather than you controlling it, well, that's another sign of chaos. And then we got number 4, which is going to be you have no clear direction for business growth. You are just in 100% survival mode. And then finally, if you are starting or if you started a business with little to no business plans or little to no planning, well, that is a sign, maybe not for chaos, but that is definitely a starting point for chaos, starting the business with little or no planning. All right, with that said, let's go ahead and talk about how my 4 steps to organize, plan, grow strategy can align and grow your business. So the first step to controlling the chaos in a business is to actually organize it. And the way that you're going to organize a business is that you need a operations plan, an organizational chart, marketing plan, standard operating procedure manual, and a business plan. And the reason you need these documents is because how are you supposed to know or fix your business if you don't know what your business is supposed to look like or what you want it to look like? When you have the operating plan, the organizational chart, the marketing plan, the standard operating procedure manual, and a business plan, well, now you have the documentation of what your business should look like. And once you know what it should look like and you can share it with your employees and your stakeholders, that is going to then help you organize your business, because now you can start fixing problems because daily actions are not aligned with your marketing plan or your operations plan or your standard operating procedure plan or your business plan. And those are your baselines, and now you can fix the problems in your business by comparing them to what it should look like, and you can share these documents with your managers and your employees to help them better understand your vision. If it's in your head or you have no vision at all of what your business should look like, well, you're going to be in complete and utter chaos. And the first step, like I said, in the organize, plan, and grow strategy is to organize your business, and this is how it's done. And the second step in my organize, plan, and grow strategy is to plan for your success. And what I mean by this is your business now needs a direction. You know what your business should look like, you have it documented, and you're now able to go ahead and fix your day-to-day problems based on your documentation and what's happening in the real world in your business. Now you're ready to go ahead and strategically plan. And the first step to the planning stage is to, well, strategically plan. You need a strategic plan. The way that I do my strategic plans is I sit down with business owners and we're going to identify where your organization is going to be in 5 years. Let's go ahead and create a vision of what it's going to look like, how it's going to operate, where it's going to be, who you're going to be serving, what areas you're going to be serving. Let's get a vision of where you need to be in 5 years or where you want to be in 5 years. That is now your end point. That is where you want to be, and now you are going to have a direction. The next step in the strategic plan is now to go ahead and create objectives. Let's go ahead and set objectives in 5 years. Set your objectives for 5 years. What are 3 or 4 or 5 things you need to accomplish in 5 years in order to attain your vision? Then work backwards to 1 year. Well, what do you need to do in 1 year? What objectives do you need to accomplish in 1 year in order to achieve your business vision in 5 years? And then you're going to step it back to 30 days. What do you need to accomplish in 30 days? Set 4 or 5 or 6 objectives that need to be done in 30 days that are aligned with your 1 year objectives and are aligned with your 5 year objectives. And then finally, the final step is to create a plan of action daily. What do you need to do every single day in order to achieve your 30-day objectives, which are aligned with your 1 year objectives, which are now aligned with your 5-year vision and objectives? And now all you have to do is focus on what you need to do daily And once you accomplish those tasks daily, it's inevitably going to take you to where you want to be in your 5 years. And so that's the planning or the strategic phase. And then finally, make sure you have a customizable financial model. When you're doing your planning, the customizable financial model is going to help you with your revenues and your costs to make sure those are in line with your growth in the various phases. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at step 3. And the third step in the organized plan growth strategy is to now grow your business. In step 1, organize. We now know what your business needs to look like. Take action and make changes to your daily operations to better align it or make sure it's aligned with your organization plans and your business plans and your marketing plans. Then take action for your daily growth. We now, in step 2, we know where we want to be. We have our objectives set, and we know what we need to do on a daily basis. We'll now take action and implement your daily growth strategies through your daily plan of action. And once you take those dual mandates, once you start taking both of those steps on a daily basis of aligning your business with what it should look like and taking steps to achieve your growth, you are now well underway for organized growth. Hopefully this information was helpful. As always, go out, make a little bit of money, and let's go ahead and wrap it up. And time to wrap it up. Again, Dr. Paul Borosky here, owner of Quality Business Plan, and the main service that I provide is helping small business owners as well as startups implement my organized plan growth strategy. I also offer business plan writing services as well as custom financial projections and financial modeling. If your organization is in complete disarray and you just need someone to come in and help you organize it, I do offer organizational management. And then I also offer fractional COO, CFO services if you need somebody for the short term to help you get your operations under control, get your finances under control. I do provide that service as well. And then finally, I offer business consulting, just general business consulting and general business mentoring. If you need any one of these services, feel free to reach out, and I would be absolutely delighted to assist. Go out, make a little bit of money, and have a great day. Thanks.